The wait is finally over, and the rumors that have been circulating through the halls of Cupertino for the last 2 years have finally solidified into something tangible, something revolutionary, and something that is about to redefine the very concept of the smart home. For years, we have lived with the original HomePod Mini, a device that punched well above its weight class, delivering impressive sound and seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. But as we move deeper into 2026, the demands of the modern home have evolved, and Apple has responded with the HomePod Mini 2. This isn't just a minor refresh or a simple internal spec bump. This is a complete reimagining of what a compact smart speaker can achieve when powered by the latest advancements in silicon and artificial intelligence. Imagine walking into your home and having a device that doesn't just play music but understands the very acoustics of your environment with such precision that it creates a spatial audio experience previously reserved for high-end cinematic setups. The new HomePod Mini 2 features a custom-engineered high-excursion woofer that delivers deep, rich bass that you can actually feel, paired with a redesigned array of beamforming tweeters that ensure crystal-clear highs regardless of where you're standing in the room. But the real magic lies beneath the mesh fabric, where the new S10 Ultra chip, a powerhouse derived from the latest Apple Watch technology, is performing billions of operations per second to analyze your music in real time. This computational audio is the secret sauce that allows the HomePod Mini 2 to adjust its tuning on the fly, compensating for furniture, wall placement, and even a number of people in the room to ensure that every note is delivered exactly as the artist intended. One of the most significant leaps forward in this 2026 model is the integration of a dedicated neural engine designed specifically for Siri and smart home automation. We have all experienced the frustration of a voice assistant that doesn't quite understand the nuance of a request or takes a second too long to respond. But with the HomePod Mini 2, those days are officially behind us. On-device processing means that your most frequent commands, turning off the lights, locking the front door, or setting a morning routine, happen almost instantaneously without your data ever leaving the device. This focus on privacy is coupled with the new ultra-wideband U3 chip, which makes the handoff process from your iPhone to the HomePod Mini 2 smoother than ever before. As you walk toward the speaker, you'll feel a subtle haptic pulse on your phone, and the music transitions with a fluid animation that feels like magic. Beyond the audio, the HomePod Mini 2 introduces an entirely new way to interact with your smart home through the inclusion of a high-resolution touch surface that now supports interactive gestures and visual feedback. No longer just a glowing orb of light, the top of the device can now display subtle icons for weather, timers, and even the song currently playing, allowing for quick glances without needing to reach for your phone. This is part of Apple's broader vision for Matter and Thread integration, making the HomePod Mini 2 the ultimate border router for your entire home ecosystem. Whether you're using Nanoleaf lights, Eve sensors, or Logitech cameras, the HomePod Mini 2 acts as the central nervous system, ensuring that everything works together with the reliability and security that Apple users have come to expect. The design language has also seen a sophisticated evolution, featuring a new refined mesh weave that is not only more durable but also made from 100% recycled materials, reflecting a deep commitment to environmental sustainability. The color palette for 2026 has been expanded to include stunning new finishes like midnight blue, sunset copper, and a revised space gray that looks more premium than ever. But perhaps the most talked about leak that has now been confirmed is the inclusion of a built-in battery option for the Travel Edition variant, allowing you to take the Apple Sound experience out to the patio or on a weekend getaway without being tethered to a wall outlet. This portability, combined with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, transforms the HomePod Mini 2 from a stationary shelf speaker into a versatile companion for every aspect of your life. As we look at the competitive landscape, it becomes clear that Apple isn't just trying to compete with Amazon or Google. They're trying to render the traditional smart speaker obsolete by blending professional-grade audio with an intelligent assistant that actually learns your habits. The HomePod Mini 2 features new temperature and humidity sensors with increased accuracy, allowing your home to to automatically adjust the thermostat or turn on a fan before you even realize you're uncomfortable.